you're having an online jewelry store running Facebook ads using traffic and conversion objective, but result is not so welcoming. What do you think? Is it competitive to be in jewelry biz? I don't know. Yes, which country you are in. Okay, in my opinion, here's what I think. Anything that you sell, there must be a market for you. You just need to find the right market for your business, and you just need to use the right strategy to advertise to them. So if your question is why is it not welcoming, I believe it could be many reasons. It could be your offering, it could be your advertisement, it could be your campaign, it could be your objective, it could be a lot of things. So I would say if you are still not certain, yes, can I recommend to join my 6-day challenge? Join my 6-day challenge, which is now currently the 6-day challenge has turned into an evergreen program where you don't need to wait for the day to start. You just come in immediately. You have full access to the 6 videos immediately, which you can follow your pace. You want to watch it within a day and implement everything also can, or you want to follow the days, like you do the day 1 and you implement on day 2, you implement, and this kind of thing also can, however you want it. So the idea here is I break it down into 6 lessons. Each is about an hour. That's where we give you a very guided learning about Facebook advertising. Like day 1, we talk about the fundamental, which is about the business manager setup, which is very important. And day 2, we talk about the so-called the objective. Day 3, we talk about the ads design. Day 4, we talk about audience targeting. And day 5 and 6 is where we set up the full campaign. So this program is to teach you how to build a Facebook ads campaign using my 2-step funnel framework, which is a framework that has guided tens of millions in Facebook ad spend in the past many years. So over the past 1 year, in fact, I only started teaching this 6-day challenge since September last year. Can you imagine up to now, within a few months, about 800 people from over 20 other countries have learned through this program. And so it's a very interesting program that I believe everybody who is serious about Facebook advertising should at least go through this to understand what have you done right or wrong. Then you will have a better idea about what can you do next to improvise. I think that's a very important thing that we should be looking at.